Many commercial spaces across the US and Canada still use outdated fluorescent lamps and control technology. If that's true for your facility, the Lutron Ballast Retrofit Kit allows you to upgrade to LEDs quickly and with minimal disruption. Pre-kitted, Lutron Ballast Retrofit Kits offer one-to-one replacements with everything you need, including compatible LED lamps and Lutron LED drivers. You can start with a single fixture and do as few or as many retrofits as you like within a given time frame. No rewiring or control changes are necessary. There are kit options for various lamp form factors, lengths, color temperatures, and control types. To get started, gather these 3 pieces of information from your installed fluorescent lamps and ballasts. The part number of your Lutron fluorescent dimming ballast, the color temperature of your installed fluorescent lamps, the control type of your Lutron system that connects to the ballasts. Then, use this information to determine which kit is right for you. The Lutron Ballast Lookup tool is a great place to begin. Kits usually ship in less than 4 weeks. To get started, contact your local Lutron rep or distributor.